My name is Jennifer Dorts, and I'm IFRA's Senior Scientific and Regulatory Affairs Manager. Today, I'd like to talk about the revision of the EU Detergents and Surfactants regulation. These regulations set common rules that allow detergents and surfactants to be sold and used across the European Union. At the same time, it aims to ensure a high level of protection for both the environment and human health. In June 2025, after more than 2 years of negotiations, the revision of the Detergents and Surfactants regulation was concluded. Since the European Commission first published its report in April 2023, IFRA has been actively involved in the legislative process and has taken part in the discussion relevant to the fragrance sector. All over the negotiations, we worked closely with the International Association for Soap, Detergents and Maintenance Products, also known as A.I.S.E. Several important outcomes were achieved and helped provide a workable framework that maintains a high level of safety while still allowing innovation and the continued use of a broad range of fragrance ingredients. On biodegradability, proportionate and workable requirements were ultimately adopted. In addition, proportionate provisions were agreed on fragrance allergens labeling and on animal testing, with the latter helping to maintain alignment with REACH. Looking ahead, the final regulation is expected to be formally published in 2026, and it will apply 42 months later. In the coming period, the European Commission will work on delegated acts and reports, including those related to the biodegradability requirements. IFRA will remain closely engaged in these discussions and will continue working with A.I.S.E. and IFRA members to ensure that future developments remain science-based, proportionate and workable for the fragrance industry.